It don't count if it ain't on camera.
Hold on, do it again, do it again. Boy, it's a lot of rich people shit going on out here, man. That's an Aston Martin.
Then I just bought a new S63.
Man, y'all see DreDay TV, man. I be providing y'all with the hood shit, man. We got a lot of rich shit going on in Houston too, man. Boy, hey, come on, man. Man, that V12 engine. That V12 engine, man. Come on, man. Y'all can't do some motherfucking spaceship. Y'all see the name of that big man, Aston Martin. This the car Rick Ross was talking about, man. You hear me? That's the car Rick Ross was talking about. Sheesh. Money different. That's my boy Big M3 right there. Y'all see it's a lot of rich shit going on, man. I don't even know where to start at, bitch. Y'all see the doors go up. Ooh, that McLaren is different. I feel like I'm too tall for that, but I ride that motherfucker. Don't get it twisted. Can't even see in that bitch. There's a lot of rich shit going on in the city, man. Y'all see the lamb chop, man? Come on, man. Ooh. Y'all see the green seats, man? That's that slime. That slime right there. That slime prime time. Where my man at, man? I'm gonna put him on camera. That slime prime time, man. Make sure y'all follow, bro, man. Sheesh. Man, y'all see the lamb chops, man. Y'all see the, I ain't gonna lie to you. There's some different shit. Oh, that go a white one too, man.
Okay, perfect. Oh, okay.
Y'all see the shit, man. These boys in McLarens. Goddamn me. Lambos. That black McLaren hard.
see the red McLaren, bro. There's a lot of rich people shit going on out here, man, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? Don't do no hating on this channel, man. We all showing love and positivity, man. This should motivate you to get on your shit, cause you're damn so doing it for me. Roll to 100K. The shit is free. You understand me? Y'all gonna get it with DreDay TV, man. But I do got a question for y'all, man. Y'all take the red. Y'all take the black. Y'all take that orange. I'll take that orange. That orange motherfucker sexy. That orange motherfucker sexy. That olive green hit different. What's wrong with you, nigga? Bro, that Lambo hard as hell, man. Y'all know that's my dream car. No kids out. What's hey, man, it ain't no asthma because, you know, the white girls ain't got it, but they cute in the face. They cute in the face. That Mercedes for the ladies, man. Y'all stop playing, man. That whole mat too, boy.
So you ever want to like party or you know or like do stuff with us, like to actually look with us, understand what we got going on here in Houston and all that stuff?
I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, boy. I do not know all of these cars out here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know all these cars, man, but you know. All I do know is a lot of rich people shit going on, I'll tell you that. They got the Audi, man, that hoe clean. Boy got the roof gone, man. I ain't gonna lie, I actually do like the Corvettes, man, but these hoes really little. Sheesh. Y'all see the double R's, man. We the stars, man. That's hard. That's different. Big pressure. Man, oh my God. Y'all boys see the red trim in this hole? Oh man. Oh yeah. Hello mama, we made it. Hello mama, we made it. Hello mama, we made it. Come on, man. Y'all see, I'ma provide. That's what I'ma do. I ain't trying to touch nobody's car because I can't pay for it. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. Sheesh. Hey, come on, man. Come on, man. That's big pressure. That's big pressure. I'm gonna get it from the back. I'm gonna get it from the back. That's tough. Is that the McLaren again, man? Y'all see these boys out there and they jamming too, man. Shit, hey man, say man, come on, man. Got the Cobra? Woo-hoo!
Come on, man. Y'all see, I give y'all everything on this channel, man. Y'all get everything from the slabs to the sports cars, to the exotic cars, to the cars we can't afford, to the cars we can afford, to the Honda Accords. Y'all gonna get it here, man. Mercedes for the ladies, man. We here. We here to get it clear. My fault, G. It's a whole lot of money going on, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all see we outside, man. Road to 100K. 100K, man. You feel me? These boys got money in the city now. I ain't gonna lie, we need to have us an exotic car show, man. These boys, hey. Hey, man. I'm gonna tell y'all when I know we getting away from the exotic shit. When I can see my car, we getting away from the exotic shit. Oh, he parked this, bro. This hoe's so hard. Why is this in the back? Why are you in the back? Y'all know yellow my favorite color too, man. Y'all know yellow my favorite color. You good, G? Yellow my favorite color. I do it just like this too.
Start planning, you know what I'm saying? How am I going to have my joint in the air.
They got the yellow seats inside.
Do that same thing again when people come and then have
Man, motivation. You ain't gotta scare me like that. I love the wagon, man. My dream car right there. That's my baby. You coming home with me? Hey, when I hit 100K, y'all gonna see me in that bitch. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Boy, they got all kind of shit back here, boy. I didn't even see the lamb truck. Oh, man. Y'all know these my two favorite cars right here. These my two picks. Y'all can have all that other shit. This is my two. I need that. And y'all know I'm out of here sweating. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I can't do this shit without y'all, man. Hold on, do it again, do it again.
That boy know about that Chief Keef, man.
He playing that Chief in that though.